Therefore, when the Constitution through Article 1 says India, which is Bharat, it is effectively tying constitutional India to its civilizational roots and says that India is the successor state of that particular civilization, therefore it becomes the civilization state and not just a nation state. What is the difference between a civilization and culture? संस्कृति और सभ्यता में कुछ तो अंतर होना चाहिए ना? What is the difference between सभ्यता and संस्कृति? Civilization effectively means that your journey has been so far and so wide and so deep that you have multiple sub-identities which are part of this particular huge canvas. That is the only way you can make sense of India. Trying to force-fit European-style nationalism on India will not work. Trying to apply a Judeo-Abrahamic concept to India's native spirit will not work because the pulse of this land is different. Each of these subcultures has a space. This is like a symphony, or let's call it an orchestra, where everyone has a role to play and everyone is equally important, without which the orchestra will fail. It cannot function. That is the concept of a civilization state. What does this mean in practical terms? If India sees itself as the successor civilization state of the Indian civilization, of the Bharatiya civilization, it has a duty to protect that particular space, because after thousands of years, you fortunately have one political unit which is capable of responding to domestic threats and external threats as one unit, as opposed to Janapadas running to each other's help whenever there is an external aggression.